สวัสดีอาจารย์ที่เคารพค่ะวันนี้ดิฉันกลุ่มทูคิเตอร์จะมานำเสนอเรื่องนโยบายด้านความปลอดภัยให้กับองค์กรธุรกิจค่ะนโยบายการเสริมสร้างความปลอดภัยของระบบคอมพิวเตอร์เพื่อป้องกันการถูกโจมตีจากผู้ไม่หวังดีนั้นสิ่งที่สำคัญคือองค์กรจะต้องทำการป้องกันเครือข่าย 1. การวางแผนรักษาความปลอดภัยในเชิงกายภาพซึ่งเกี่ยวข้องกับคอมพิวเตอร์ได้แก่ การจัดการดูแลและป้องกันในส่วนของอาคารสถานที่ทำเลที่ตั้งศูนย์คอมพิวเตอร์และการจัดการดูแลและป้องกันภายในศูนย์คอมพิวเตอร์ 2. ส่วนการวางแผนรักษาความปลอดภัยในเชิงตรรกะเป็นการรักษาความปลอดภัยก่อนผ่านข้อมูลเข้าสู่ระบบสารสนเทศหรือการกำหนดสิทธิ์ของตัวข้อมูลในระดับต่างๆและการรักษาความปลอดภัยในการรับส่งข้อมูลหรือการเข้ารหัสข้อมูล 3. การวางแผนป้องกันความเสียหายวิธีการคือ 1. การจัดเตรียมศูนย์คอมพิวเตอร์สำรอง 2. การจัดเตรียมข้อมูลสำรอง 3. การจัดเตรียมเรื่องการกู้ระบบหลังจากการเกิดการเสียหายขึ้น และ 4. การวางแผนป้องกันไวรัสคอมพิวเตอร์
Hi, my name is Susan Hauser, and I lead the enterprise business at Microsoft. In many of the customer conversations I have, moving to the cloud is no longer a question of if, but a question of when. That's why working with a company that's deeply invested in cloud security and privacy is so important. Today, I'm pleased to be joined by Brad Smith, Executive Vice President and General Counsel for Microsoft, who's been at the forefront of these issues for the past several years. Brad, thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thanks, Susan. Nice to be here.
Well, it's great to have you, and let's start with perhaps a question around, the conversations. Today, the conversations around security and privacy is evolving dramatically in the technology space. And in particular, it'd be great to hear from you in terms of what role has the U.S. government played in informing that conversation?
Well, the last year has really changed a great deal, I think. The disclosures that came from Edward Snowden have sparked conversations around the world. People are more sensitive about these issues than ever before. I think more than anything else, it comes down to this. In the world in which we live, people want to see the public safety protected, but they want to see security of information and privacy respected as well. And it's all about how we strike the right balance in a world where all of these things matter so much.
Can you share a bit about what distinguishes Microsoft's security and privacy practices from others in the technology companies?
First, we've done some things that others have done. We've committed to encryption end-to-end across our services and the like. But there are some things that set us apart. Number one, we have committed to enterprise customers worldwide and back this up in our contracts, saying that if the government comes to us and asks for your information, if they serve a subpoena or a warrant on us, we will go to court to say, no, that should be served on you, the enterprise customer, so your legal department can make the decision, not ours. Second, for enterprise customers, we're moving rapidly to offer customers the ability to store their data in particular regions in the world.
And as you mentioned, that's actually in our contracts.
That is one thing that we thought was important. We wanted to show that we were committed to this, that we would put it in words, but we'd back it up with a promise that was enforceable against us.
Microsoft has made security a top priority for really more than a decade with our trustworthy computing efforts. How is the company built on the strategies and the experience that we have as we now evolve into a company that really is committed to a mobile-first, cloud-first world?
Well, I think first our commitment goes back toward a decade now, recognizing that, look, technology is great. It creates new benefits, but sometimes it creates new problems or challenges, and we need to be proactive in solving problems, just not only in advocating technology's benefits. What that means in the here and now, in a mobile-first world, people carry around these devices that are sending data back all the time, including about where people are located. In a cloud-first world, enterprises no longer have the physical possession of that data themselves. It's no longer in their server room. It's no longer on their desktop. It's in the data center. And so we have to think ahead. We've got to be creative. And more than anything else, we want to offer customers solutions that do set us apart, that make clear we are at the cutting edge of our industry, and that is where we're committed at remaining.
Well, again, really appreciate you joining us today, and clearly this is such an important topic, and I'm really excited about the fact that we are having a very proactive view with our customers and helping our customers move to the cloud at the same time, really addressing some of the concerns and issues and maybe some of the new challenges. So it was great to have you with us today, and thank you so much.
Thank you. There'll be more to come, that's for sure.
Thank you, Brad.